In today's video, let's see the answer for the quiz question. What are exhaust gas cleaning systems? Exhaust gas cleaning systems, also known as scrubbers, are emission control devices used in industries and ships to reduce pollutants from exhaust gases before they are released into the environment. These systems primarily target sulfur dioxide and particulate matter emissions, which are harmful pollutants generated by burning fossil fuels, such as coal and heavy oil. Scrubbers work by using various chemical processes to remove pollutants from exhaust gases. This can involve spraying alkaline solutions, such as seawater or specialized chemicals, into the exhaust stream, which reacts with and neutralizes sulfur dioxide. By employing exhaust gas cleaning systems, industries and ships can significantly lower their environmental impact, meet regulatory emission standards, and contribute to improved air quality and reduced health risks associated with air pollution. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Let us know your questions or comments in the comment box below. For more such videos, subscribe to MarinAura.